The federal government has increased the price of petrol by 4.93 rupees per litre and high-speed diesel by 7.15 rupees per litre, passing on the impact of fluctuating global oil prices following renewed regional hostilities in the Persian Gulf. Following the latest revision, petrol now costs 320.73 rupees per litre, while high-speed diesel is priced at 367.21 rupees per litre. According to the Petroleum Division, the revised prices will come into effect on July 22nd. Earlier, Petroleum Minister Ali Parvez Malik announced that Pakistan would shift from weekly to daily fuel price revisions because of volatility in international oil markets. The federal cabinet and the Prime Minister have authorized the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority or OGRA to determine fuel prices each day based on international market trends. The new mechanism will use a 7-day rolling average of international prices, replacing the previous system of weekly announcements. The decision has been strongly opposed by petrol pump dealers. After talks with the government failed, the All Pakistan Petrol Pumps Owners Association or APPPOA announced an indefinite nationwide strike beginning Wednesday night. The association says the government's daily pricing mechanism is unacceptable and unworkable. It is demanding that fuel prices be fixed on a monthly basis instead.
और जो डे बाय डे ये रेट चेंज है उसको ख़त्म किया जाए, उसको 1 महीने पे ले जाए। तो इसलिए कल 12 बजे रात, कल 12 बजे से पूरे पाकिस्तान, आज़ाद कश्मीर, गिलगित बल्तिस्तान हम शटडाउन का ऐलान कर रहे हैं।
Dealers also say their commission has remained unchanged for the past 3 years and are calling for an increase. According to APPPOA, around 15,000 petrol pumps across Pakistan will remain closed on Thursday. The association says petrol pump owners are already facing financial pressure from OGRA, oil marketing companies, and government policies. It argues that daily pricing would create confusion, hurt businesses operating on thin margins, and favor oil marketing companies, which could delay deliveries when prices fall.
हमारे तमाम डीलर पाकिस्तान में इस वक्त बहुत मुश्किल हालात से गुजर रहे हैं। ये जो इन्होंने डे बाय डे अपना तरतीब बनाया और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट के साथ वो कहते हैं कि हम इसको नती कर रहे हैं, हम फिर बात करते हैं कि ये आधा तितर आधा बटेर है, इधर ओगरा है, वो ऊपर से ओएमसी और रिफाइनरी है।
APPPOA also criticized the government for introducing the new pricing mechanism without consulting petrol pump owners, saying key stakeholders had been left out of the decision making process. Meanwhile, the Pakistan Petroleum Dealers Association or PPDA has not yet announced a strike and says its executive committee will decide on Wednesday. According to the association, OGRA acknowledged the concerns raised by dealers and requested 7 days to convey them to the government. However, the Petroleum Division said its decisions with the PPDA were successful and maintained that the daily pricing mechanism would improve transparency, reduce market distortions, and better reflect international price movements. Despite that, the PPDA has publicly appealed to the government to review the new 24-hour fuel price adjustment system.